Consider the Nanobot, our tiniest helpers. Imagine a robot so small you could fit thousands on the head of a pin. Now imagine millions working together to solve huge problems. These aren't science fiction anymore. They're real, and they're measured in nanometers. A single sheet of paper is about 100,000 nanometers thick. Nanobots can travel places we could never reach before, like inside our bodies or deep in the soil. The real magic? We can program them to do specific jobs, fight disease, build electronics, or clean up pollution. Scientists use materials like DNA, proteins, and magnetic particles to build them, folding molecules like advanced origami. Some nanobots carry cargo, others swim with tiny propellers. The design depends on the mission. It's not just about making things smaller, it's about using that small size to do big things. The future is being built, 1 nanometer at a time. Let's talk about medicine. Instead of flooding your whole body with drugs, nanobots can deliver medicine directly to the problem area. Scientists are designing nanobots that target specific cells, like cancer, releasing medicine only where it's needed. This means more effective treatments and fewer side effects. Imagine nanosurgeons, microscopic robots that swim through arteries to clear blockages or repair tissue, all without a single incision. They can be guided by magnets, allowing doctors to perform delicate procedures with incredible precision. Nanobots could also patrol our bodies, detecting diseases before symptoms appear and alerting us early. They could deliver gene therapy, boost our immune system, or help rebuild nerves. Medicine becomes personalized, precise, and preventative. Instead of treating the whole person, we treat the specific cells causing the problem. This tiny technology could help us live longer, healthier lives. It's science in action, saving lives from the inside out. The medical revolution is happening on the nanoscale. Our planet faces big environmental challenges like pollution. Enter environmental nanobots, microscopic cleanup crews. Some nanobots break down toxic chemicals in water, turning them into harmless substances. For oil spills, imagine nanobots that soak up oil or break it down, cleaning oceans more thoroughly than ever before. In soil, nanobots can bind to heavy metals like lead or mercury, making them easy to remove. This process, called nanoremediation, could restore contaminated land for farming. Nanobots can also act as environmental sensors, constantly monitoring pollution and sending real-time data to scientists. They give us a clearer picture of our planet's health and help us respond faster to problems. By using nanobots as both cleanup crew and watchdogs, we can protect our planet more effectively. It's a small technology with a huge impact. The future of environmental protection is microscopic. Nanobots are changing the way we care for Earth. Manufacturing is changing, thanks to nanotechnology. Instead of cutting and shaping big blocks, nanobots build from the bottom up, atom by atom. This molecular assembly is precise and creates almost no waste. Imagine nanobots building flawless computer chips, making electronics faster and more efficient. They can create new materials, super strong, lightweight, or self-repairing. Nanobots could weave sensors into clothing or build microscopic cameras. They can even repair machines from the inside while they're running. The possibilities are staggering: better solar panels, perfect water filters, and more. By controlling matter at its most basic level, we solve big challenges with tiny tools. Nanobots are the builders of a more advanced, sustainable world. The factory of the future will be a very, very small place. We stand at the dawn of the nano age. Nanobots are already changing our world, from fighting disease to cleaning oceans and building new materials. They deliver medicine with pinpoint accuracy, heal from within, and restore polluted environments. In manufacturing, they build stronger, lighter, and more efficient products with minimal waste. With great power comes responsibility. Scientists are working to ensure nanobots are safe and beneficial. The potential is undeniable. We're learning to command armies of microscopic helpers. The biggest challenges may be solved by the smallest solutions. The future powered by nanobots is precise, efficient, and full of possibility. The next big thing in science is the smallest thing you can imagine. Consider the nanobot and the world it will help us build.